Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for this great opportunity to deliver our research proposal under the title Effectiveness of Deep Learning-Based Speech Recognition in Teaching Listening to Students at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai. Okay, background of the research. Talking about English, English now has become the dominant global language due to its essential role in international communication, education, business, and technology. Strong listening skills are crucial for mastering English but are often challenging for learners due to fast speech and familiar accent and limited vocabulary. Technology, especially AI and deep learning, has revolutionized language education by offering personalized, interactive learning experiences through tools like intelligent tutoring system and speech recognition application. Deep learning, in this case, a subset of AI, enhances speech recognition accuracy by analyzing speech pattern using neural networks, significantly improving pronunciation and listening comprehension. Talking about speech recognition tools such as Duolingo Read Along and Elsa Speak provide real-time feedback to learners, helping refine pronunciation and listening skills. Research shows that AI-driven technology reduce anxiety, increase engagement, and improve listening comprehension across various languages. However, there is limited research on the use of AI-based speech recognition in Indonesian high school. A case study at SMA Negeri 1 Serang Panjang highlighted increased student interest through AI application, emphasizing the need for further research such as at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai. Assessing both the effectiveness of deep learning-based speech recognition and students' perception is crucial for optimizing AI tools for language learning. Understanding student experiences can guide improvement in AI application, ensuring they effectively support listening skill development and overall language acquisition. Well, next, research problem formulation. To gain a comprehensive understanding of this issue, the following specific research questions are proposed. The first is, to what extent does the use of deep learning-based speech recognition technology improve the listening skills of students at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai? And next, the second one, how do students at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai perceive the use of AI tools, particularly speech recognition, in their listening practice? Next, research objectives. Based on the formulation of the research problem, the research objectives as follows. The first is to evaluate the effectiveness of deep learning-based speech recognition technology in enhancing the listening skills of students at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai. And the second one is to analyze students' perception and experiences in using AI-based speech recognition tools for listening practice. The next is previous research. There are several previous studies about the use of artificial intelligence or AI in English. Here, the researchers put 4 previous research, and then the gaps in previous studies can be identified by seeing several aspects such as the educational level, skill focus, and contextual diversity. In educational level, most studies have concentrated on college or university students, leaving a void in understanding the impact on high school learners. In skill focus, it can be seen that primary emphasis has been on pronunciation and oral proficiency, with limited exploration into listening comprehension skills. While in contextual diversity, there is a lack of studies conducted in diverse educational settings, particularly in Indonesian high schools, which may present unique challenge and opportunities. And then by focusing on high school students' listening skill in an Indonesian context, this research aims to fill the identified gaps by seeing the expanding the scope, diversifying skill focus, and contextual relevance by providing insight applicable to Indonesian educational setting, thereby informing localized pedagogical strategies and policy making. This research and the first to offer both theoretical and practical contribution to the field of AI-assisted language learning, enhancing our understanding of its applicable across the different educational levels and cultural contexts. Okay, we come to the literature review. The researchers here put some part. The first is theoretical framework on listening skills in language learning. The second one is the role of technology in language education. And the third one is overview of deep learning and speech recognition. In theoretical framework, there are definition of listening skills in language learning, the importance of listening in language classroom, types of listening, includes one-way listening and two-way listening, and then listening process. They are top-down process and bottom-up process, and then principles in teaching listening, and also the role technology in language education. As we know that the use of technology in language learning has grown significantly, transforming education and making digital tools essential in everyday life. Technology in language education include hardware like laptops and mobile devices, as well as software such as learning platform and speech recognition tools, enhancing both teaching and learning process. It enables personalized learning, boosts students' engagement through interactive media, support collaborative across regions, and improves work efficient for teachers. And then technology also foster lifelong learning and global connection in language learning, especially listening skills. Technology offer authentic, flexible, and motivating experiences through applications, recording, and online platform, increasing students' exposure to real-world language use and improving learning outcomes. And then overview of deep learning and speech recognition. Here there are deep learning, which is emphasize meaningful student-centered learning that build critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skills. And in speech recognition, convert spoken language into text using stage like signal acquisition, and then feature extraction, and etc. And then hypothesis. There are two hypotheses. Deep learning-based speech recognition is not effective in teaching listening to students at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai. And then deep learning-based speech recognition is effective in teaching listening to students at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai. Okay, research methodology. There are some parts here. The first is research design. The study used a pre-experimental design with a quantitative approach involving one group that received both pretest and post-test without a control group. And then research procedure include preparation, implementation, and final stage. And then research variable include independent variable as X, is deep learning based speech recognition, and dependent variable as Y is students' listening skills at SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai. Next, place and time of research. This research will take place in SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai, which is located at Jalan Persatuan Raya, Sinjai Regency. It will be conducted from April 2025 to the end of May 2025 or within 2 months. And then population and sample. Population in this research is all the students at 11 class in SMA Negeri 1 Sinjai with 323 students, and sample, the researchers use purposive sampling technique. The sample chosen is class 11 Maple, consisting of 36 students, 15 male and 21 female. And then instrument of the research include tests, questionnaire, and documentation. And then technique of collecting data. In this research, the researcher will conduct tests, survey with questionnaire, and documentation. Next, instrument validation. Validity tests will use SPSS 29 software or the latest version, and the reliability test will use Cron Batch Alpha. And then technique of analyzing data include normality test and hypothesis test. Okay, that's all the presentation of our research proposal. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.